Central Lethem's Cashew Grove Park has been formally handed over to the township after restoration was completed by the Ministry of Natural Resources through its Clean and Beautiful Communities project.
Cashew Grove Park was overgrown by weeds and bushes for a long time. Now the park is a noted green space for recreational use. In a simple ceremony on Saturday, Minister of Natural Resources, the Honourable Raphael Trotman, formally handed over the park to Town Clerk Keisha Vincent, who represented the Mayor of Lethem at the event.
We made a commitment to the former mayor to do some work on this park, and I'm happy today that it is at a stage where we can hand it over.
Minister Trotman says Cashew Grove was identified as one of the areas that the Ministry of Natural Resources selected to invest in under its Clean and Beautiful Communities project.
The idea is that we can create a green space in Lethem. This is a place that is known for dust, and even though there's a lot of greenery around, there's not much by way of recreation or not many facilities.
The minister also committed to ensuring that the park is outfitted with lights for use in the evening hours. Felicia Valenzuela, InfoHub.